there and gone tomorrow, without saying goodbye to yesterday. All the memories I hold still valid, or have the tears diluted down? Maybe this time tomorrow the rain will cease to follow, and the mist will fade into one more today. Something somewhere out there keeps calling. Am I going home? Will I hear someone singing solace to the silent moon? Zero gravity, what's it like? Am I alone? Is somebody there beyond these heavy aching feet? Still the road keeps on telling me to go on. Something is pulling me. I feel the gravity of it.